It's okay. Hello. Guys, 100 more dias, please. For 2K. That is fine. Now, Merry Christmas. Taga-sundo, Merry Christmas. Oh! Okay. It's 10:37. Hi, Kat. 10:37. Kai Oden, thank you. Candy Bro. Yeah, we will celebrate at midnight. Thank you. No, it's 12 a.m. 12 a.m. Hi, PH. Hi, Wolf. I don't really know that hug family and toast. Like, literally hug and then toast with the fire or something. Like this. We don't do that here. We don't do that here in the Philippines. Life is life is very poor here. What's not much. Life is very poor here, Mami. We just simply eat barbecue, spaghetti, padar, hello. Cedric, Yaks. Cedric, Virgo. Yeah, lechon. Yeah, lechon. We do eat lechon if we afford it. But usually, amigo, hello. But usually, lechon is on New Year. Every January. Badar. Welcome. Merry Christmas. Oh, you've been here in the Philippines, no, May?